Excuse me, young man.
Yes, sir.
I'm from Sweden,
Yes.
and I was just wondering, is there some nice places to go around here?
Fishing.
Yeah, fishing.
Mountains.
I like fish. I like all kinds of sweet things.
Yosemite, man. You want to see Yosemite?
Oh, really? What are you doing? Are you skinny dipping?
No, I have my line in the water over there.
Oh, and this is where you fish?
I fished here when I was a kid, about 8.
Oh, when you were 8?
And
You're pretty muscular.
skinny old man.
Oh, wow, you're really good. Well, I really like to see you jump in.
Yeah.
You wouldn't jump in for me? Oh, come on, I would give you some money.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. Jump in. I don't know. He's just like, I'm waiting for him to jump in the pool.
Jump in there.
Yeah, you know, just jump in. I love it. Hey, well, are you jumping in or not? Here you go. Oh, he's going in. Oh man, you are brave, macho man. I love it. I love everything you're doing. It's just awesome. Yeah, I'm from Sweden. I like sweets. I'm really gay too. And you look hot. Who does your hair? Oh, there's your sandal. What is that? A cell phone? Oh, underwater cell phone. I love it. Oh, you know, you are so good. Oh, thank you. All right, sweet man. I love you. Bye.